Gignac involved in springing a counter-attack. There's a cat on the field. Gignac managing to ignore the...
For the Yankees, right on the railing of their dugout.
Well, there's a squirrel that Dick back in 2001 in spring training in Tucson, Arizona. Randy Johnson had a similar situation.
This we have a squirrel crawling up the net behind home plate. I'm not sure. Yeah, really.
Oh, kidding. There it comes across there. It is. Yeah. Something about the Cardinals. He go. Something. But he got him. Nice catch. Whoa. That's a big catch, too. A little bit of excitement here at the Big A.